Hello students, today we are going to solve exercise 1C class 8 advanced maths question number 2 Roman 9 1356 is the value. We have to convert it into the binary system, which means the base of 2. Now students, 1356 is given in the decimal format. We have to convert it into the binary. Now how to solve it? Look students, now first of all I will write here solution, then I will write this question again 1356. Now since we have to convert into the binary this decimal value, so we'll divide with the 2 only, like this. Now look, 6 2 ja 12, 30 minus 12 1, then 15, which means 7 2 ja 14, 15 minus 14 1, then 6 means 16, 8 2 ja 16, so remainder is 0 here. Now again this will go for the further division with base 2 only, because in the question it says that we have to convert this value into the binary. Now 3 2 ja 6, now here again 3 2 ja 6, 7 minus 6 how much? 1, there is 8 18, which means 9 2 ja 18, again the remainder is 0. Now go for the further division again with 2, 2 1 ja 2, 3 minus 2 1, and there is 3 means 13, 6 2 ja 12, 12 minus 13 1, there is 9 means 19, so 9 2 ja 9 2 ja 18, 9 2 ja 18, remainder is 1. Now again it will go with the division by 2, 8 2 ja 16, and here is 4 2 ja 8, remainder is 1. Again go for the division further with 2, 4 2 ja 8 and 2 2 ja 4, remainder is 0. Again go for the division, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, remainder is 0. Now again with the division with 2 only, 21, so 2 1 ja 2, now 1 cannot be divisible by 2, so we'll put here 0, means 10 2 ja 20, remainder is 1. Again go for the division with 2, 5 2 ja 10, remainder is 0. Now look student, further step is divide by 5 with 2, which means 2 2 ja 4, remainder is 1, and again divide by 2, 2 1 ja 2, remainder is 0. Now look, after completing the division we'll write here that 1356 base 10, and it will convert it to the binary system. Binary means the base of 2, so it will start counting from the bottom to the top, like 1 0, then again 1 0, then again 1 0, 1 0 1 0 1 0, then 0 1, then 0 1, then 1 0 0, 1 0 0. I repeat again, 1 0, then 1 0, then 1 0, then 0 1, then 1 0 0, and this would be the base of 2 only. This is our conversion of decimal to binary with the value of 1356. Students, now we are going to solve 1C Advanced Maths Class 8 question number 2 Roman 10 2145. Similar question expressed into the binary, which means 2145 is given in the format of or given in the form of decimal. We have to convert this into the binary. Now how to solve it? Let's have a look. First of all students, I will write here that solution, then we will convert this decimal value into the binary. Look how to solve this one. First I will write 2145, then this will go for the division with 2 only, because base of binary is 2. Similar way which I did in the last video. 2 1 ja 2, then there is 1 will not be divisible by 2, so we'll put here 0. Then 7 2 ja 14, and 2 2 ja 4, remainder is 1 only. Now this will again divisible by 2 only, 5 2 ja 10, 3 2 ja 6, 7 minus 6 is 1, 12, 6 2 ja 12, remainder is 0. Then again divisible by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, then 3 13, so 6 2 ja 12, 1 and 6 16, 8 2 ja 16, remainder is 0 again. Now divisible by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 3 2 ja 6, 4 2 ja 8, remainder is 0. Now again divisible by 2, 6 2 ja 12, 13 minus 12 is 1, then 4 is 14, 7 2 ja 14, remainder is 0. Now divisible by 2 again, 3 2 ja 6, and here it is again 3 2 ja 6, remainder is 1. Now again go for the division with 2. 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, then here it is 6 2s are 12, remainder is 1. Again go for the division with 2. 8 2s are 16, remainder is 0. Again go for the division with 2. 4 2s are 8, remainder is 0. Now next one is again go for the division with 2. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. Now 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. Now look here student, after completing the divisional step, we'll write here that 1 2 1 4 5 base 10 equal to, we'll count from the bottom to the top. 1 1 0 0 0 0 means 40, 1, then 1 2 3 4 40, 1 2 3 4 40, again 1 1 1 1, then 1 2 3 4 40, 1 2 3 4, then 1. Now look here student, I repeat again, 1 0 0 0 0, look here, then 1 1, then again 4 0 1, and base is 2. This is our ultimate answer. This is the conversion of decimal to binary. Students, now we are going to solve 1C class 8 advanced maths. Question number 2, Roman 11 10 to the power 4 expressed into the binary. Similar way which I did early 2 videos, we have to follow the same rule here also for converting the decimal value into the binary. Now look here student, first of all I will write here first of all that solution, and we'll write the question again 10 to the power 4. Now look here, 10 to the power 4 means 10 then 1 then 40. Now student, start solving this one like earlier we did. Now look here, 1 then 40. We'll go for the division again with the 2 because we have to convert this decimal into the binary. Division by 2. 5 2s are 10, then zeros, remainder is 0. Now again go for the division with 2 again. 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 1, then 0 10, 5 2s are 10, then 2 0, remainder is 0 again. Now again we'll go for the division with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, 0 means 10, 5 2s are 10, 0, remainder is 0 again. We'll go for the division again 2. 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, then 0 10 means 5 2s are 10, remainder is 0 again. Now again with 2. 3 2s are 6, then 2 1s are 2, and 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. We'll go for again with division by 2. 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, then 1 means 11, 11, 5 2s are 10 means 1, and 2 means 12, 6 2s are 12, remainder is 0. So again with by 2. 7 2s are 14, 14 means 1, then 6 means 16, so 8 2s are 16, remainder is 0 again. So we'll go for division again 2. 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 6 is 1, 18 means 9 2s are 18, remainder is 0. We'll go for the division again with 2. 2 1s are 2, then remainder 2 1s are 2 means 3 minus 2 is 1, so 19 means 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18, remainder is 1. Again go for the division with 2, then 9 2s are 18, remainder is 1. We'll go for the division again with 2. 4 2s are 8, remainder is 1. Then with 2. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. Then 2 1s are 2, then remainder is 0. Now look student, after that we'll write here that 1 0 0 0 0. This base is 10 only, and after that this will convert to binary. So here we'll write that this equal to, now we'll start counting from the bottom to the top. 1 0, then 0 1 0 1, then 1 1 1 1, then 3 0 here, 3 0, then 1, then 4 0, and base is 2 only. This is the conversion of 10 to the power 4 into the binary. Students, so I have done 3 sum in the video from exercise 1.1c advanced maths class 8, question number 2 Roman 9, Roman 10 and 11. The rest all homework try to solve in your home by watching this video. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.